Ready to unleash your inner artist and dive into a world of limitless creativity with Adobe Creative Cloud? Let's get started. First things first, accessing your applications. After installing Creative Cloud, you'll find the desktop app on your computer. Double-click the application to launch it. This is your central hub. Click the Apps tab, and you'll see a list of all available applications included with your subscription, everything from Photoshop and Illustrator to Premiere Pro and After Effects. Clicking Open next to an app will launch the application. If an app isn't installed yet, click Install. Now, let's talk about managing your files. Navigate to the Files tab here. You'll find your cloud storage, allowing you to save, access, and share your creative projects from anywhere. You can create folders to better organize your files. Drag and drop files directly into these folders, or click Upload to bring them in from your computer. This is great for backing up your work. Collaboration is key. With Creative Cloud, you can share files with collaborators for feedback and revisions within a compatible Adobe application, like InDesign or Photoshop. Click the share icon, then enter the information to invite others to view and provide feedback on your work. This streamlines your workflow and helps you achieve your creative goals faster. Ready to take your skills to the next level? Explore the Discover tab, where you can find tutorials, learn tips and tricks, and connect with a global community of creatives. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's something here for everyone to help you grow. Adobe Creative Cloud empowers you to take your creativity to new heights.